Today I'm looking at the Sony WH-CH510 low-cost Bluetooth headphones. They won't break the bank and seem to have excellent customer ratings, but are they any good if you want to listen to music, watch TV, play video games or take calls? I'm Dee the Review Fella, let's get right into it. I bought these primarily for watching TV, but they are well rated for a wide range of use. The battery will last up to 35 hours for playing back music, probably a little less for watching TV or gaming, but this is still very impressive. They take around 4.5 hours to fully charge, but a short 10-minute charge will give you up to 90 minutes of music playing. So, ideal if you're in a hurry and you want a quick charging boost. So let's open it up. We have the headphones and the instructions. We also have a very short USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is ideal as USB-C is becoming the industry standard for charging and data transfer. So let's take a closer look at the headphones. As you can see, they fold flat for easy storage. They are also super lightweight. They really are as light as a feather. Because of the weight and the all-plastic construction, they do feel like budget headphones. The price of these often rises and falls, but they were £35 when I bought them, which is approximately $49 at the time of making this video. There are 3 buttons. The middle one is the power button. Hold down for a couple of seconds to turn on, or around 7 seconds to put into Bluetooth pairing mode. Either side of the power button are volume up and down buttons. The power button can also be used to answer and end calls and play or pause music. The volume buttons can be used to skip forwards and backwards when playing music. These are on-ear headphones, not over-ear, and the padding feels soft and comfortable. They seem ideal if you're going to wear them for a long time, which is easily done with a 35-hour battery life. Although the all-plastic construction feels a little flimsy, the advantage is the lightweight feel. There's no metal in the headband, but the headphones are still fully adjustable and have some flex to them. I don't feel like they're going to break unless I very much overstretch them. Bluetooth connectivity is quick and easy. Long pressing the power button quickly paired it with my Sony Bluetooth transmitter. This is how I connect them, with the TV's optical audio cable going straight into the back of the Sony unit. You can of course connect them directly to your Bluetooth enabled TV or device. My Samsung TV, however, didn't support 2 Bluetooth headphones at the same time, so I needed the transmitter. I'll put links to the exact model of this in the description. So how do they sound? I've used them with my PlayStation to play the awesome World of Tanks. The sound quality is very good. The deep engine rumble of the tank is clear, and the distant sounds of gunfire and fighter jets are not lost. In between the action I can hear the more gentle sounds of the animals and nature, punctuated with the frequent loud boom of the firing of another armour-piercing shell. These are ideal for late-night gaming when I'm unable to have the TV sound as loud as I'd like. There is no noticeable lag either, although this is probably down to the excellent Sony Bluetooth transmitter I'm connecting through. Overall impressive and more than adequate for gaming. So my primary use of these is for myself and my wife to watch TV, particularly streaming services such as Amazon Prime, Apple TV and Netflix. Watching a film or series through the streaming services already mentioned have good all-round audio. The speech was clear, the music and sound effects were well defined. Not the best I've ever heard, but very good at this price point. For music, the audio was very good too. The highs and mids were impressive, and the bass is very good. Not too heavy, which is how I prefer it. For taking calls or video conferencing, the sound was crisp and clear. The built-in microphone worked very well also. I would certainly use these for my Skype and MS Teams meetings. So there you have it. Very well rated and affordable Bluetooth headphones for a wide variety of use. And just to recap, these are Bluetooth only headphones. There is no headphone jack. It is Bluetooth 5, which means better speed and range. They do have a range of up to 10 meters line of sight. They are very light, only 132 grams. The ability to fold flat makes them ideal for travelling. They're really easy to slip into a bag. With up to 35 hours battery, these will last you an entire day and probably more. The sound is very impressive for the price point. They support hands-free calling and voice assist, and a quick 10-minute charge will give you around 90 minutes of music. The voice guidance is very helpful for connectivity and battery level information. I do highly recommend these headphones, as long as you can get them at the right price. If they are around £35 or $50 then they are a bargain. There are links to everything in this video in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have time to give this video a thumbs up, it would be greatly appreciated. It really helps my small channel a lot. Please subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you once again, please stay safe, and I hope to catch you soon.